Have you ever felt the weight of inefficiency stifling your team's potential? Picture the excitement in the air as the team gathers for the define phase. They begin brainstorming potential project goals. Each idea added to the whiteboard becomes a stepping stone toward clarity. This enhances the collective focus on objectives that will drive transformation. As the whiteboard fills, the atmosphere shifts. Energy flows through conversations as team members start connecting the dots. Their voices merge into shared insights that clarify the challenge. Each contribution is valued, fostering a sense of ownership and unity among the group. As they sift through ideas, the team captures key challenges that have persisted. They identify pain points that resonate deeply with everyone involved. Each member shares anecdotes highlighting frustrations from previous attempts. This reflects their shared dedication to finding meaningful solutions. Their focus is not just on quantity but on quality and relevance. The information collected now tells a compelling story of ambition and hope, setting the stage for what's to come. As they conclude the define phase, a palpable shift occurs. The team feels a surge of motivation as the promise of change draws closer. It is now time to measure their current performance, focusing on data that will guide them forward. With anticipation, the team begins the measure phase. They are equipped with tools to carefully examine their processes. Each member takes on a specific role in collecting data. They ensure that no detail is overlooked in their quest for accuracy. They discuss metrics and key performance indicators, deciding which elements best reflect their performance. As they gather data, their discussions become more analytical. Raw numbers are transformed into meaningful insights. Each discovery increases the team's eagerness and reveals the factors most influencing their results. The room buzzes with excitement as they make connections, uncovering trends and anomalies. These discoveries help them focus on the areas needing the most attention. With each piece of data, they gain a clearer picture of their current state. Turning data into insights prepares them for the creative analyze phase. The move to analyze shifts the focus from data gathering to active exploration. The team reviews metrics and asks questions that probe root causes, sparking critical thinking. They are no longer just individuals. They have become a cohesive unit, eager to tackle problems and brainstorm solutions. Ideas burst forth as each member shares their expertise, revealing different perspectives. The room radiates enthusiasm. It fuels collaboration and collective problem-solving. With each idea shared, the group begins to identify patterns that highlight the root causes of their obstacles. Questions emerge, focused and probing, as they challenge assumptions and uncover deeper insights. Their commitment to the DMAIC framework transforms the air. The team realizes something important. With each step, they are not just addressing problems. They are actively cultivating a culture of improvement. With renewed confidence, they are ready to implement changes. These changes will elevate performance and shape their organizational identity. In the next video we will discuss about quality tools in Six Sigma. Stay connected with us. Thank you.